So here's the deal. If you have been living under a rock, which some of us, because you're 12 and 13, like, don't watch the news, and that's fine. Right now, if I was you, I probably wouldn't watch the news either. Columbus City Schools is closed today. I'm not sure it's all of them, but I know for like 17 schools had been remote because there's like staffing shortages and busing shortages. And guys, there is a potential that we will end up having to go remote at some point for a short amount of time. Not that we're switching back to blue and green nonsense. Not that we're switching like to remote for like an indefinite, you know how like when we first went remote like 2 years ago, it was like, oh yeah, we'll see you after spring break. Joke was on us. I am not Mr. Blue Ball. So, we have not used Schoology at all this year, so I need to make sure that we know how to get to it. So, when my favorite way to get to Schoology is just go to the Phoenix page, because then Schoology is just a button right here. Now, you might have a shortcut on your Chromebook, but everyone, like, I would just go to phoenixms.org and then click Schoology from here. So let's everyone get to Schoology. I'll give us a couple minutes to get there. And actually, I'm going to do something really quickly because I have one more video to post on there for you guys. Yes. So math never changes. Over time, we have learned that certain strategies work better for teaching than other strategies. So really, it's just we change how we instruct or how we communicate. It's like the words that we use. It's like retelling a story and not saying the exact same words in the exact same order, but you still tell the same story. It's that sort of thing. Does that make sense at all? Vera? Yeah, I mean, we have discovered more and more and proven more and more, but, like, there are certain parts that, like, have not and cannot change, right? Like, 2 plus 3 equaling 5. Like, the basic rules of math or, like, algebra, those things haven't changed. But, yeah, you're right. Like, it continues to grow, right? I guess we could say is, like, math doesn't change, but it continues to grow. I know, I came in early. All right, so as some of you are now realizing, as you get to my page, and actually I might move this so page 2 is above page 3. Refresh your page. Now, here's the weird thing. Here's the weird thing about like how I normally use my Schoology. If you click into the folder, it says it's empty. Because I've embedded the video right here. Because research has been done, the more clicks you have to click, the less likely it is that you end up where you need to be. Right? So essentially, if I give you directions of how to get to my house or how to get to Walmart and I make it have 100 steps, you're less likely to get there than if my directions have 10 steps. Right? So the less amount of clicks, the more likely you are to actually do it. So today, during class, and if we don't have headphones, I have the bin of headphones right here. This first video, if you refresh your page, actually, I might have gotten the order wrong. I might have labeled these backwards. This would arguably maybe be called part 2, because I already recorded part 3, but that was for page 3. I'm going to realize it's probably... so this should actually be page 2. And this is what happens when you do it live. Are these both the same?
All right, welcome to the part 3 review.
I don't have 2 part 3s. I'm fixing it. So part 1 we did together, right? Wednesday. And if you're looking for that video, if you were gone on Wednesday, another reminder of how to get to my channel, just go to YouTube, search Micah Hudson. Yeah, my first name, some people struggle to spell it. It's M-I-C-A-H. I mean, H sometimes comes before A, and sometimes you just don't have the H. But if you click videos, it's right here. No. Right here. Math 7, Chapter 4, Mastery Review. So, today, if you are totally done fixing your mastery, it's kind of like AO, and I can give you 512 if you want the next homework. If you have anything to do on your mastery, watch.
All right, guys, we're back for this would arguably...
So, I was a tiny bit tired this morning, right? Needed a bit more coffee. But I go through my entire answer key, and I re-solve every problem. So, like, it's written right here, but then I redo it. Like, I re-explain it. Remember that turning in just answers, that's going to get you another progressing, right? So, on a separate piece of graph paper that you probably already started, right, that we labeled Chapter 4 Mastery Revisions, you're going to go through and whatever questions you got wrong, you're going to go find them and watch them. Here's the caveat. On the page 2 video, I skipped question 10 because I had done it in the other video because I didn't know if I was going to have time to make 2 videos or just one. So question number 10 is in the other video. At the end of this video, I go back and I review page 1. So this video is only actually like 5 or 6 minutes long because then I go back and I talk again about page 1, which we already did, right? We did that Wednesday. So then I'm going to go through MAP and call people up if they still owe me like the mini mastery or anything else. I'm trying to get us all like mastered and taken care of so that as we move into next week, we're in a better spot. Remember, hey, give me your eyes so I know you're like halfway listening. The Chapter 4 celebration, holiday cheer celebration of learning is not in MAP yet. So if you check MAP and you have a progressing for me, that's the mini mastery, right? Some of you still owe me that. So that's why I'm going to use Schoology today and have you guys watch those videos and do your corrections using Schoology. Is I need to meet with some other people, and I don't really have a chance to do that today because it's Friday. We don't have extensions. We don't really have AO. Yeah, we don't have any of that. So I need to be able to chat with some of you today. Are there questions about what you are doing for the next, 40 minutes? I couldn't tell if that hand was creeping up. If you're ready for the next homework and want to get a jump start on next week, this is not today's homework. But it is the next homework that you will get. So today's homework and what can go in your plan book. I can't minimize you from here. Yes, I can. There was that button. Whatever. I already started walking this direction. Today's homework, what can go in your plan book, is fix mastery. Right? If you're already done fixing your mastery, then you're done with your homework. Right? And now, if you haven't done 511, you should do 511. If you need to fix your mastery, that should be highest priority because I would love to have those turned in today. Cool? Questions? If you need headphones, they're right here. If you want 512, it's on my stool.
I just realized that I had 512. I did all that stuff copying and on here and then doing that.
What?
When I went to math lunch, I got 511.
Don't spend your time re-copying.
So I just stayed working on it.
Stay together. You still need to do this one unless you get it on the other one. Yeah. I think we have them over here. ever took it, or you need it. Okay, just making sure that I didn't need to give it back to you. Because I got like Avery, I got a couple things for you. Is Nina Cave still out?
Yeah.
So I have that for you. Mallory, weren't you here yesterday? Oh, well, I got a paper for you. Avery, here's another.
I think Mallory left early yesterday.
Oh, that's what happened. TV.
No.
Mallory. Wait, no. Yes, if you need headphones, I have the bin up here, but then they need to go back in the bin. They're not yours to take to other classes. Okay. Probably stop my recording because there's nothing worth being recorded right now.